Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today quick tutorial I'm now going to show you how to completely delete a WordPress website from your host stranger server. That's include deleting the application itself, removing all installation files, dropping the database, and even deleting the subdomain it's installed on. Whether you are cleaning up your hosting space or starting fresh, this step-by-step guide will help you through the entire process. So now I'm gonna log into the hostranger server, and now I'm gonna click on manage. Once I'm gonna click on manage and the sidebar, I'm gonna scroll down. Here you will see website. So I'm gonna click on website, and inside the website I'm gonna click on auto installer. So I'm gonna click on auto installer, and here I'm gonna search for the subdomain that I want to delete it. So from here I'm going to select the pages, so from the 5 to 10. Alright, and here this is the subdomain. I want to delete the application, removing all the installation files, and even deleting the subdomain, right? So this subdomain I want to delete it, so I'm going to click on delete, and I'm going to select these file. First you have to verify your subdomain, right, that you will not delete the other subdomain or other domain. So I'm going to check on these three options, and then I'm going to click on delete. Okay, now the deleting process is started. It will take a 10 seconds. So I'm going to wait for the deleting all the files, right? Okay, now the subdomain and all the files is successfully deleted, and you will not see the subdomain inside this list, right? So in this way you can delete all your application files, including database and also the subdomain. If this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.